commanding the roads with a unique blend of utility and style. The 1965 Chevrolet Veraneio stands as a rare and intriguing piece of automotive history. Before diving into its fascinating story, become a part of our community, share your passion, connect with fellow enthusiasts, and celebrate the legacy of iconic vehicles with us. The Chevrolet Veraneio, introduced in 1964 and continuing through later generations, was a large SUV specifically designed for the South American market. Built on a truck-based chassis, it combined the rugged capability of a pickup with the spaciousness of a wagon. The 1965 model featured a bold, boxy design with a commanding front grille and a two-tone paint option that accentuated its distinctive look. As one of the first full-size SUVs in its region, it set the standard for durable and reliable family transport. Under the hood, the 1965 Veraneio was powered by a range of Inline-Six and V8 engine options, with the 4.3 liters and 4.8 L variants, delivering sufficient power for both urban and off-road driving. Matched with a manual or automatic transmission, it provided a smooth yet capable performance, making it a favorite among law enforcement and emergency services. Due to its versatility and strength, its reinforced suspension and body-on-frame construction ensured it could handle rough terrains with ease, making it a preferred vehicle for both city streets and countryside adventures. Inside, the Chevrolet Veraneio offered a spacious and functional cabin, with seating for up to 9 passengers. The simplistic yet practical dashboard layout included an easy-to-read instrument cluster, while durable vinyl seats ensured longevity even under heavy use. Ample cargo space made it ideal for families and businesses alike, providing practicality without sacrificing comfort. Though luxury features were minimal compared to modern standards, the Veraneio's reliability and functionality made it a popular choice for those seeking a rugged yet comfortable ride. Today, the 1965 Chevrolet Veraneio remains a sought-after classic, with restored models commanding prices ranging from $15,000 to $40,000, depending on condition and originality. Its rarity outside of South America makes it a unique collectible, with enthusiasts appreciating its role in shaping the SUV segment. Whether restored to its factory glory or customized for modern performance, this Chevrolet legend continues to capture attention at car shows and among collectors worldwide. Does the 1965 Chevrolet Veraneio still hold its place as a pioneering SUV? With its unmistakable design, durability, and historical significance, its legacy remains as strong as ever. Whether admired for its practicality or its vintage charm, it stands as a testament to Chevrolet's engineering ingenuity. Join the conversation, celebrate the heritage of classic SUVs, and stay connected with us as we continue exploring automotive greatness.